This is a regular USB flash drive. Its small size and ease of use makes it great for storing and transferring files between computers. Until now, there really hasn't been a simple and convenient way to transfer information from your flash drive to your smartphones and tablets. Introducing iLuun Air, the world's first wireless flash drive reinvented with your mobile lifestyle in mind. With the iLuun Air in your pocket, in your bag, or across the room, you can now wirelessly transfer files and media, stream videos and music, and store and share photos and documents to and from your mobile devices. So how does the iLuun Air work? It's simple actually. When powered on, the device creates its own Wi-Fi network. Through the network, you can connect any of your mobile devices and access the stored files via our simple and easy-to-use iOS and Android app. With the iLuun app, accessing and sharing content has never been easier. iLuun Air allows you to take a virtually unlimited stream of photos and videos wherever you go. And it works wherever you are, even if it's in the kitchen and you happen to be in the living room. And because it's battery powered, you don't need to plug it into an outlet, nor do you even have to be at home to use it. It can be used while you're on the go. No internet connection, cables, or mobile data required. iLuun Air allows you to easily share your content with up to 8 users simultaneously, or stream movies and videos to 3 devices at once. With the ability to support multi-platform wireless streaming between any combination of mobile devices, iLuun Air is perfect for setting up a fun media center with friends at the coffee shop, sharing your presentation with colleagues at the office, or just entertaining the family during a long road trip. And since you're no longer limited by the storage capacity on your phone or tablet, you can finally take your entire media collection and files with you wherever you go. With all of this extra storage, you can load a few seasons of your favorite TV shows or thousands of photos and MP3s while using 0 space on your mobile device. You no longer have to face the ultimatum of deleting your favorite pictures and videos in order to make space for new ones. So you can take selfies till your heart's content. And if that wasn't enough, we implemented USB 3.0 technology for improved power consumption, security, and most importantly, speed. In today's day and age, the last thing you need is a device that's not fast enough to keep up with your busy and mobile lifestyle. That peace of mind, along with the convenience you will gain by incorporating the iLuun into your life, makes it a great investment for you and a great gift for friends and family. iLuun Air, the flash drive of the future.